Hey guys, so I am back with another look. Um, we here in South Carolina, the weather is completely bipolar. Yesterday we were in the 80s, today the highest is 61. But anywho, I've been wanting to play on these cream colors for a while. It's been in my head. I figured why not today because it's the highest is 61. Let's take a whole look at the outfit from head to toe, okay? I got these pants. There are crop wide leg tuxedo pants that I had gotten from Princess White, who is the owner of the Wire Hanger. I've seen my video. I can't tell you enough to go follow her because when she have her sales, it really be some really nice items. This is an Ann Taylor pant, and I just want to show you the tuxedo strip on the side. My favorite pants to wear. I paired it with this shirt, this sweater top. I love the bell sleeves that I had gotten from Express. I want to think these heels are Jessica Simpson. I'm not sure. I didn't even look at them. I just grabbed the look that I had in my head last night because I knew that the weather was going to be cooler. But I think it's actually cute. And I actually paired it with this. Grabbed my Coach crossbody. I never wear this crossbody only because it's a cream color crossbody and I don't want it to get dirty. So I tend to wear it when I'm doing whites or if I'm putting my creams together. I will throw my crossbody on. But this is the outfit of today for work and I think I look extremely cute. And guess what? I will talk to you guys later. Bye.